Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize CRM solutions with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by defining what CRM optimization means for your business. Identify key pain points in your current CRM system. Evaluate your business goals and how they align with customer relationship management. Sign up for a Salesforce trial to explore its features firsthand. Familiarize yourself with the Salesforce dashboard and navigation. Access the App Exchange to explore third-party integrations that complement Salesforce. Choose relevant apps that could enhance your CRM capabilities. Set up your Salesforce environment by customizing the platform to fit your business model. Identify the specific fields and data points that are critical to your sales process. Create custom objects in Salesforce to accommodate unique data needs. Utilize Salesforce's automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Implement workflows that automate follow-ups and reminders for your sales team. Leverage Salesforce reports and dashboards to visualize key metrics. Create tailored reports that align with your business objectives. Train your team on how to utilize Salesforce effectively. Incorporate regular feedback sessions to understand any challenges your team faces. Continuously analyze and adjust your Salesforce setup based on evolving business needs. Stay updated on Salesforce features through their release notes and community forums. Utilize Salesforce's analytics tools to measure the success of your CRM strategy. Make data-driven decisions to refine your customer engagement efforts. Consider regular audits of your CRM setup to ensure ongoing optimization. Encourage collaboration among departments to ensure a unified approach to customer relationships. Take advantage of Salesforce's customer support and community resources for troubleshooting. Focus on building strong processes around data input to ensure accuracy and integrity. Consistently review and update your CRM practices to keep pace with market changes. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize CRM solutions with Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.